Record session started. Today concept is first concept environments. Today first concept environment. So very important concept. Not very useful, but still it is important. Environment. What is environment? Environment, mass definition. Environment is nothing but it is a combination of software and hardware. It is a combination of software plus hardware. Environment is nothing but it is a combination of software and hardware. This is a mass definition. So software means Windows 7 operating system. So this is the software. If you install in one computer, hardware means computer. So then it will be Windows 7 environment. Windows 7 environment. So environment is nothing but it is a combination of software and hardware. If you have only software, that is not called environment. If you have only computer, that is not environment. So it is a combination of software and hardware. Windows 7 operating system we are installing in one computer, then we can say it is a Windows 7 environment. This is the mass definition. Environment is nothing but it is a combination of 3 layers. This is the class definition. Environment is nothing but it is a combination of 3 layers. One is presentation layer. Business layer, database layer. Environment is nothing but it is a combination of 3 layers: presentation layer, business layer, database layer. What is presentation layer? We will discuss first of all. So this is the Gmail application. For example, this is the Gmail application. In the Gmail application, we have two fields like username, password, sign in button. For example, I am taking one application, that is username and password and sign in button. Sign in button. So presently I am viewing the application, so that is called presentation layer. Presently I am viewing the application, I am seeing the application. Just presently I am viewing the application, so that's why that is called presentation layer. Presently we are viewing the application, so that is called presentation layer. After viewing, I am entering username, I am entering password, I am clicking on sign in button. So this is called business layer. I am performing some actions, so that is called business layer. I am performing some actions on the application. So after viewing the application, I am performing some actions on the application. So that is called business layer. After clicking on sign in button, it will open another page. So it will open the mail or database, that is called database layer. After entering username and password, if you click on sign in button, it will open another page. So it will retrieve the information. So it will open the database. So that is called a database layer. It is a combination of 3 layers: presentation layer, business layer, database layer. Presentation layer means presently I am viewing the application, so that is called presentation layer. After viewing the application, I'm doing some actions on the application, so that is called business layer. I'm performing some actions on the application, so that is called business layer. After performing the action, it will open the page, so it will open the database. So that is called a database layer. So environment is nothing but it is a combination of 3 layers. There are 4 types of environments. 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 So very important. One is standalone environment. Standalone environment, or we can say one-tier architecture. Second one is client server environment. Or two-tier architecture. Architecture. ARC means architecture. ENV means environment. Standalone environment or one-tier architecture. client server environment or two-tier architecture, web environment or three-tier architecture, distributed environment or entire architecture.